So we're going to do a review on this 2-in-1 high-speed card reader. And when they say 2-in-1, they can read SD cards as well as micro cards. And if you're like me, you do a lot of content creation, you're working with a lot of cameras, SD cards, you want to keep them all in one spot, or you don't want to have to keep pulling one card out to get another card in. Here you go, the 2-in-1 high-speed reader. You can see that there. This is going to be the instruction booklet. Here's the unit itself. Looks like it's got a couple of gaskets there. Okay, that's interesting. The unit itself, very lightweight. Okay, I've never had one of these. Shout out to Llano for sending this my way so that we can give it a shot. This is the case itself. We can see that. So it's a two-part case. Nice hard plastic here. Nice soft rubber there. So if it drops, it looks like it'll be okay. Here we've got for the micro cards right here. The big card readers right here. Looks like we got side card readers here. And then we have our plug here, which this is attached to the unit, USB-C. We can see that. That's going to tuck away nice there. Here looks like we've got a clip so that you can clip it to your pack or your camera case or whatever it is you use to carry around all your gear with. Maybe laptop bag. Okay, that works. And then we have an additional reader here. So if you don't have USB-C, you'll be able to plug this in like that and go right into USB. All right, so this will hold up to 8 micro SD cards. As you can see, you got 4 right here, 4 right there. All you do is just take your micro SD card, slide it in, and then it'll hold and store right there, and you can fill up the slots as much as you need. And then, again, with the case, shock-proof, water-resistant, keep them nice, clean, and dry. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this card, we're going to insert it into the micro SD card reader. That slot there, I believe it goes in upside down like that. You'll feel it lock in. Now look, you can see the micro SD card reader there, SD card reader there, and they even gave you a pin in case you need to eject your card from your big SD card reader. We're going to take the USB-C in, slide that in to get its power. We can see now this is turned green. All right, so as we can see, it gave us a USB drive. So that file that I just moved was about 2.19 gigabytes, and it took about 10 seconds to move it over. Now, that's pretty goddamn fast as far as I'm concerned. You pop it in, pop it out, and you want to protect all your cards, just slide this back in. This is going to be a really good piece to my bag. I have in total about 6 micro SD cards. Llano, again, I appreciate you shipping this out. Yeah, definitely a must-have, especially if you deal with a lot of SD cards.